Healing fruits with herbal power. Natural remedies you can eat daily. Before medicine came in pills and powders, healing began with fruits and leaves. Let's look at these powerful fruits used for centuries in herbal healing. Soursop, also known as graviola. Soursop is a tropical fruit with creamy pulp and spiky green skin. Soursop contains acetogenins, compounds that may slow abnormal cell growth. The leaves are brewed into tea to calm nerves, ease insomnia, and support immune balance. Bitter melon, botanical fruit for blood sugar. Bitter melon contains charantin and polypeptide P, natural compounds that may help regulate blood sugar levels. Often taken as juice or herbal tea, it's trusted by herbalists for managing diabetes, inflammation, and skin issues. Papaya seeds and leaves, internal cleanser. Papaya is more than sweet fruit. Its seeds and leaves are ancient medicine. The seeds are rich in enzymes like papain and have anti-parasitic properties. The leaves are brewed into tea to support liver health, fight infections, and improve blood platelet count, especially in tropical illness recovery. Orange peel. Often thrown away, orange peels are packed with flavonoids and vitamin C. In herbal medicine, dried peels soothe digestion, reduce mucus, and fight inflammation. Guava leaves and fruit. Guava fruit is rich in fiber and vitamin C, but it's the leaves that shine in herbal use. Guava leaf tea is known to balance blood sugar, reduce cholesterol, and ease. Black grapes with seeds. Black grapes with seeds contain resveratrol, a powerful anti-aging antioxidant. In herbal systems, they're used to cleanse the blood and support cardiovascular health. These fruits aren't just food, they're herbal tools for healing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.